Massive price drop on the BirdDog's Eyes P200, now only $1,995. A full NDI auto-tracking PTZ camera with a Sony CMOS backlit sensor and 30x zoom.
NDI has never looked so good. Designed for serious production, the image quality of the P200 is best in class. The combination of BirdDog's custom NDI silicon chip, Sony CMOS backlit sensor, and a true Sony image module gives the P200 smooth movement, lightning-fast autofocus, sharp images, and an insanely fast zoom. Never miss a shot again with the P200's 30x zoom, making it perfect for large sports stadiums or outdoor fields. With a free firmware upgrade, turn the P200 into a fully automated, professional quality, auto-tracking PTZ camera, perfect for school lectures, houses of worship, and sporting events. With NDI, SDI, and HDMI simultaneous outputs, the P200 is ready to go live in every workflow. Connect just one Cat6 Ethernet cable to get NDI video, PTZ camera control, and power over Ethernet. Or use an old school workflow via SDI or HDMI with PTZ control via RS232, RS422, or RS485. No matter which way you like to work, rest easy knowing the BirdDog Eyes P200 has you covered for all workflows. Mixing and matching with other cameras has never been easier using BirdDog's state-of-the-art AV settings for exposure and color correcting live with their online UI.
The BirdDog Eyes P200 is now available with a massive price drop of over $800, totaling to $1,995.